Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by configuring essential modes so results match your math. Set mode to comp or stat depending on the task, and choose DEG or RAD for angles. Once done, clear Y equals, stat lists, and variables to avoid residual data interfering with functions. Make sure contrast and the battery icon look normal. Weak power causes errors during long sessions. Now, with these prerequisites handled, you're ready to enter expressions and import any dataset you'll analyze. You'll now input functions or data. Type equations exactly using alpha for letters and the fraction template for clean expressions. Then, set a sensible window, Xmin, Xmax, XSCL for viewable graphs. This prevents blank screens. For statistics, enter values into list 1 and list 2, then press stat right arrow calc to choose regression or mean calculations. Once done, press Draw or Graph to visualize. Make sure to label axes mentally so you interpret output correctly. That's how you connect numeric results to meaning. You finish by analyzing results. Use Trace to read points, Zoom for scale adjustments, and Table to list values. These tools reveal maxima, intersections, and behavior. Save frequent equations or lists with vars so you can recall them quickly, and use ANS for sequential computations. If something fails, first recheck window bounds, mode comp/stat, and Y equals entries. Often a disabled Y equals or wrong mode causes blank graphs. Finally, if persistent errors occur, reset the memory selectively to preserve important data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.